Form equations from word problems. Pause the video and have a go at example 5 and 6. Example 5. A rectangle has a length y centimeters and a width 4 centimeters. If the perimeter is 20, form an equation in y and solve it to find the length. Because this is a shape question, I like to draw it out to get an idea of what's going on. The length of the rectangle is y and the width is 4. To form an equation, we're going to need some information to connect the variables. So the y and the 4, we're told the perimeter is 20. So what is the perimeter? It's the distance around that shape. It's the y plus the other y plus the 4 and plus the 4. We're told if we add up together, we get the perimeter, which is 20. We would simplify that equation then. That's the equation formed. We can simplify that to be 2y plus 8 equals 20. And then we solve that by subtracting 8 from both sides to get that 2y is 12. And then we divide by the number of y's, which is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. You can check your answer, especially when there's a context. We've got 6 and 4 is 10, another 6 and 4 is 10. That would make 20 for the perimeter, so that's right. Example 6. A burger costs X pounds and a chip costs £1.50 less than a burger. Altogether, 3 burgers and 2 chips cost £12.50. Part A. Write down an expression for the cost of a chip in terms of X. A chip costs £1.50 less than a burger, and a burger costs X pounds, so it would be X minus 1.5. Part B. Write down an expression for the cost of 3 burgers. Well, 1 burger costs X pounds. 3 burgers would be 3 times as much, which is 3 times X, or more simply 3X. What's the cost of 2 chips? Well, 1 chip is X minus 1.5. So 2 chips would be double that. And I put it in brackets to make sure I've doubled everything there, not just doubled the X. Part C. Form an equation in X and solve it to find the cost of a burger. The burger being X. So we're trying to find out X. So the information they give us is connected by this bit here all together. The sum of, or in total. The total of the 3 burgers and 2 chips is £12.50. So 1 burger is X. 3 burgers would be 3X. 1 chip is X minus 1.5. 2 chips would be 2X minus 1.5. And if you add those 2 costs together, the burgers and the chips, the total should be £12.50. We can write that as 12.5. Just be careful in questions with money that you keep your units consistent. So I've done everything in pounds. You do everything in 1 unit. Don't mix pounds and pence. Just choose one and go with that. If you don't like decimals, you could do the whole question in pence. We then solve this. The first thing we need to do to solve it would be to expand out this bracket. So 2 times X is 2X. 2 times minus 1.5 is minus 3. We can then simplify that. 2X plus 3X is 5X. We can then add the 3 to both sides to get rid of that 3, to get 5X on its own. And then we can divide by the number of X's, which is 5. And that gives you that X is equal to 3.1. Or in this case, it's about the cost of a burger, so £3.10. Always do go back and read the question at the end to make sure you've actually found out what is required. And we have, it's the cost of the burger, which is X.